Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Frostpore Butterfly in Heartopia. So if you're looking for the most magical insect in Heartopia, here the Frostpore Butterfly is a breathtaking ice blue rare find that only appears when the conditions are just right, which is when it is winter like this, it's snow, fall. So here I'm going to show you how you can get it. First, don't forget to open your toolbox and use your gear, and then you can just swing your bubble to try catch the frostpore, just like this. And now I just got the frostpore butterfly. So I actually already caught a few. This one in here, the Frostpore Salkowski Morpho. This is how it looks like. So that's all for me. That's how you can catch the Frostpore butterfly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.